The first step to repairing a flooded basement is to understand what caused the problem. It could be a poured concrete wall or something further down the line. In either case, it's essential to get rid of the water quickly. To make things easier, you can use a sump pump to remove the water. There are two basic types of sump pumps. Here's how to install one. Read on for helpful tips. A floor drain is a type of drainage system in the basement that connects to the house drain. The house trap is located underneath the basement and is responsible for the drainage of excess water. However, if the drain gets clogged, it may back up into the basement or crawl space. In that case, you need to call a plumber. If you don't have a mechanical drain cleaning machine, you can call a plumber to come out and help you. Before you get started, you should know the basics of sewer and drain systems. A sump pump, for example, collects water in a flooded basement. It works by collecting it in a tank and sending it to a sewer. A basement floor drain, on the other hand, is a simple plumbing trap. It has a catch bowl, a drain pipe, and a cleanout. The basin should be flush with a finished concrete surface. During the drying process, you should remove any materials that have become waterlogged. These materials are perfect breeding grounds for mold. You can also try cordless vacuums or a mop to clean puddles and other messes. After the basement has dried, you can start installing new electrical wires, if necessary. If the drywall is still wet, then you should remove it to the high water mark. The best way to solve a flooded basement is to install a sump pump in the ejector pit. You should place the pipe in a trench that slopes away from the house. It is important to make sure that the water pipe is installed in the ejector pit. If you don't have this option, you should install an ejector pit. This is the easiest and most cost-effective solution to your problem. A clogged basement drain is a major headache. It can rob your belongings of their value and cause mold. Moreover, it can also damage your foundation. The best way to solve a flooded basement is to repair the clogged floor drain. It will help prevent the leaking of a flooded basement by ensuring the drainage system is properly functioning. It is also important to fix the main line in your home. If your basement is wet, it is best to contact a plumber. A plumber can handle all of your home plumbing needs. Ensure that your basement is free of water and that your pipes don't flood the area. If a clogged basement is a major issue, the best way to solve it is to find a professional who can help you. They will be able to diagnose the root of the problem and give you a solution. Ensure that you have a drainage system in place. If you have a foundation drain, it's the main part of the drainage system. In addition to picking up groundwater, it also helps to keep basement water from accumulating. A well-functioning drainage system will keep your basement dry and safe. It is important to install a sanitary sewer in your home. The plumbing is very important to prevent any flooding in the basement. If your basement is flooded, you can pump out the water immediately. You can also hire a professional for this job. You can hire a professional to help you with the project, or you can do the work yourself. In some cases, you can even hire a disaster mitigation company to do the work. But if your basement is flooded, the most effective method is to remove the water as soon as possible. If the problem is a one-time occurrence, it is best to get a professional to help you.